The plane is about to fly. It would be crazy to see a home run. The fifth pin must be dealt with now. Beautiful. Cleared that one. Cleared that one. Funky. The previous throw was great. Listen to that. The crowd demands a double. Sad. Leave. Must be dealt with now. Yummy pickle. Oh, so close. Continuing on. Pin 7 needs cleaning. Clean up. Okay, that seemed to lack some pin action. Here we are, continuing with a dime store. Gorgeous. Nice. Killer shot. Pin 7 must be dealt with now. Good cleanup. Whoa! You hear that? The engine is humming. This could end up in or turkey. Pin 10 waiting at the deck. Yummy cleanup. Trying to convert the bucket. Got the fourth pin. Beautiful strike. The last roll from this player looked awesome. I really hope we'll see from Barney Rubble. Getting ready for a spare attempt. Pickup. Barney Rubble has landed. Nice. The engine is humming. Will we see a three-bagger? Great. Warm-up is definitely done. Now, this player is going for a four-bagger. Yes! Looking forward to this throw. I wouldn't bet my life on a brat picking up dreaded leave. Got pins 1, 2, and 8. Funky. The streak is on. A turkey attempt is on. Here we go. Oh, so close. Cleaning up. Pin 7. Yummy. Pick up. Good. The streak is on. I wouldn't be surprised to see a three-bagger. Cleaned up a turkey. Pins are getting a beating. The sight is fixed on a home run. What a... Nice. The engine is humming. Going for a five-bagger. I hope this roll will be better. Trying to smack down the seventh pin. What a cleanup. The fifth pin. Beautiful. Will this be the start for a streak? Is it going to be a rhino? The seventh pin to convert. Cleared that one. This player seems to have it figured out. Almost. That seemed to lack some pin action. Pin 4 to pick up. Swank, key, space, rhino. It's been strong for a few frames from this player. Here's a serious attempt for a turkey. Pins 1, 2, and 8 must be dealt with now. Pleasing strike. We are at it now. A turkey attempt is on. Here we go. Continuing on. Let's see how the second throw goes. Warm-up is definitely done now. The sight is fixed on the three-bagger. Pin 10 to convert. Yummy clean. Almost. As you can see, it's not easy. Trying to pick up pin 8. Nice cleanup. Hard-earned strike. This is what makes watching bowling so exciting. Gorgeous strike. Continuing from a strike on last frame. I really hope we will see a rhino. Rolling with pin 4. Gorgeous. Cleaned up on that one well. Barney Rubble. Going strong with a double. The plane is about to fly. Here's a go for a three-bagger. It's been strong. Few frames from this player. A four-bagger or a mental breakdown. Let's watch. Chance to get triple points. Holy Toledo, it would be crazy to see a fiver. Whew, that didn't go as planned. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Yummy. Cleaned up on that one well. Got pin 5. Trying to smack down the 4th pin and the 7th pin. Cleaned up on that one well. Oh, so close. Continuing on, pins 1 and 3 must be dealt with now. Cleaned up on that one. Rolled it, strike. Looking forward to this throw. Here's a shot for a three-bagger. Oh my gosh! Nice, the engine is humming. A four-bagger is in the making. Funk four-bagger. The streak is on. The crowd demands a fiver. Almost. The 10th pin must be dealt with now. In a row from this player, a Barney Rubble would make this place go crazy. Oh, so close. Here we are, continuing with the 5th pin. Nice, cleared that one. That's a strike. A great performance from a great player. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Spare. Woo! Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. Everyone wants to see a three-bagger. Oh, so close. The 6th pin to convert. What a cleaned up on that one well. Hold on to your hats. The crowd demands a turkey. Swing, strike. Plane is about to fly. Here's a go for a four-bagger. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Sumptuous. Cleared that one. No luck with that one. Some more pin action is needed. Trying to convert a dime store. Got the 5th. fiver is looming at the other end of the lane. Cleaned up on that one well. Ha! Excitement is growing, going for a three-bagger. Oh, so close. Ouch, that didn't go as planned. Pin 7 to pick up. Cleared that one. The last roll proved decisive. The goal for this throw can only be a double. Boom! That's a strike. Continuing after some heavy-duty frames, a three-bagger or meltdown. Let's see. The game is on. Everyone wants to see a four-bagger. What? This is what makes watching bowling so exciting. Yes, a pleasing strike. Trying to repeat the strike from last frame. I hope we'll see a double. Oh, so close. Cleaning up the fourth pin. Nice, cleaned up on that one. Got it, strike. I think we all want to see this one play out well. This could end up a three-bagger. So close. That was bad. Trying to pick up pin 10. Pick up. The streak is on. I'm betting for a turkey. Continuing with a strike. The game is on. One more strike, too. A ham bone. Yes! Hold on to your hats. Here's a go for a five-bagger. Yes! This is an important roll. I'm all in for a six-bagger. Yes! The stakes are getting higher. Here's a go for a ham turkey dinner. Great! Time to wear the game pants. Is it going to be an eight-bagger? This
all that pin action.
Almost. This calls for concentration. The seventh pin needs cleaning. Cleared that one. I think we all want to see this one play out. The crowd demands a three-bagger. That's it. This player seems to be getting warmed up. I hope we'll see a ham bone. The 10th pin is looming at the other end of the lane. Pick up. Crazy. Beautiful strike. I think we all want to see this one play out well. The sight is fixed on a three-bagger. Shot a turkey. Continuing after some heavy-duty frames, a ham bone attempt is on. A pity. Ooh, bowling is hard. Rolling with pins 1, 3, and 6. Cleared that one. Strike. The engine is running. Here's a serious attempt for a three-bagger. Pins 1, 2, and 4 to clean up. Delicious pickup. On with a double. Nice. The engine is humming. It would be crazy to see a three-bagger. So close. The 10th pin waiting at the deck. Cleaned up on that one well. Good. Chance to get triple points. Here's a serious attempt for a three-bagger. Shot a strike. Continuing after some heavy-duty frames. Here's a shot for a ham bone. Far out. Home run. The streak is on. A fiver. Attempt is on. Here we go. Pins 7 and 9. Needs cleaning. Got pin 9. Cleaning up the 7th pin. Good cleanup. Magnificent strike. Top to bottom, a beautiful, beautiful performance. Oh, strike. Now we'll see an attempt to start a streak. A double or mental breakdown. Now it's the time to go for a pickup. Got pins 2 and 4. Oh! It's been strong for a few frames from this player. Here's a go for a 3-bagger. Nice turkey. Triple points at stake. 4-bagger is in the making. Nice. We are at it now, trying to make it a 5-bagger. Moving on, picking up pins 1 and 2. Nice cleanup. Here we are, continuing with 6. Gorgeous cleanup. Wow. Delicious strike. You rarely see that happen. Some more pin action is needed. Pins 1, 3, and 6 must be dealt with now. Look at that. The streak is on. Next up is our turkey. Trying to smack down pins 4, 5, and 7. Spare. Oh my gosh! Ooh, the engine is humming. I really hope we'll see a turkey. A pleasing strike. Going strong. The goal for this throw can only be a home run. Ooh, it's hard. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. There's some cleaning up to do. Pickup. This player is becoming my idol.